right? So from the beginning we will go see here. We will be first installing the Teams app. That is a prerequisite, either in mobile or in your laptop or in your desktop. If you have installed your Teams app, then you can see the icon on the desktop just like this, and then this click on this icon, right? If you are not having installed Teams on your desktop or on the laptop, what we can do is just open the Google Chrome. Here you just type teams.microsoft.com. Clear? So now once the login page is there, whatever the username provided with the domain kvhebbaledu.in, enter that username. If you have already logged in with your Gmail account, sign in with a different account. Click on the option sign in with different account and enter the domain email provided with our domain only. Okay, so now enter the password provided for you. So whatever the password provided shared with you in the Excel sheet, enter that password. After entering into your Teams with that password, then you are requested to change the password. Next screen you can see, enter the current password and then enter a new password, retype the new password. So first time current password is what are the passwords shared with you in the Excel sheet, and then new password is, it should not have your name, because with your name only I have created the username, right? You should not have your name, some other character which has one capital letter or which has one number and which has some special character, right? Minimum 8 characters length. So now I have created my username and password and then I'm signing in here. So once you are signing in onto a school computer, then it is a public computer, you don't want to save your password. So what you will click, no. Do this reduce the number of times to you are asked to sign in. Okay, stay signed in. Do you want to stay signed in? No, because it is a public computer. Okay, you don't want to save your password here. No, for security purposes. Okay, so if you are using on your personal device, you can click yes, so that automatically it will be giving the password and you can just click next. Right, here you can see get the Windows app. Get the Windows app will allow us to download for your computer. Otherwise if you don't want to install on your computer, okay, you are using somewhere some other person's computer, then directly you can go to the web app. Clear? So now once we have come to the web app, so here I am just creating one more team here. You can create your own team by clicking on this top rightmost corner, join or create a team. Now I am creating my own team. Okay, so create a team. Right, create team. So professional learning community, all of us are in professional learning community. I am creating a demo session 3 or demo 3. Demo 3 is my team. Team means that class, right? So I am not entering any description there, but just I click the next. Clear? Now start typing a name or group who are all to be there in this group or in this class. So now I start with, see, if you know the enters, so if you know the names, you can directly just half of the name if you enter also, you can see their email ID. Okay, I start Ritu Parna madam. So Ritu, then so that they will get this at the end in their post. Okay, Priyanka Singh madam, so Priyanka Singh Yadav, then Swami sir, so then yeah, next Ishwaran sir, right? Next Murugan sir, then next is Yadav Rajiv Kumar. Yes, next is Neeta Wage madam. So next Elizabeth madam. So all those participants I can add, right? Then LK Singh sir, Lalan Kumar Singh na. So yeah, Lalan Kumar Singh sir, then Joe sir, then Jigita madam. I think I have already entered. Okay, so if it is already entered, it will show you already entered also. Yes, Ramesh sir. Then I am adding Nagesh Mishra sir, right? Nagesh Chandra Mishra sir, then Anjaneyulu sir. Okay. ये Anjaneyulu sir, ठीक है, वंदना मैडम, Vandana madam. Okay, then Usha Thakur madam. Then Sushma. Okay, Sushma madam. Then who else is left out? Everybody's name is here. Okay, if their name is not added also, don't worry. Okay, so no problem, sir. If I have forgotten at the time of creating a team, later on also I can add. Okay, so that you don't worry. If you see that first time, you check whether in your class, in your subject, all children are coming or not. First day, if you cross check, no, then automatically every day you need not worry with that class also. Suppose if you want to add uh, a class here, so here add member. Here, suppose if I want to 8th B, अगेन पूरा क्लास का एक ईमेल बन गया है इधर ग्रुप व्हेन a team is created, when a group is made, okay, with that one email, that is with that one, just when you are searching 8th B, I click 8th B, so entire 8th B will be added. Okay, this is very easy thing, because first if you are already ready with the users, that is the reason yesterday we requested you to give a Excel sheet, that user first name, last name, and the username, those three columns, first name, last name, what is the name to be displayed in their login. Okay, because some children are using Bassbot, Universal, some other Devil, so many things they are using, Pandas, right? So to then when the children are using their own username, we cannot recognize. Otherwise, we would have requested children to create their username. But this is the reason we class teachers are creating the users and giving the teacher, giving the particular student, okay, with the auto-generated password. Just like we entered first our auto-generated password and then given our new password, the same manner, students also will log in and they will enter their own passwords.
Will you create that Excel sheet?
Excel sheet. Already I have shared it in the WhatsApp group. That format you can follow. Right. So now let us go to, see here you can see so many options here. See here topmost you can see apps symbol. Right. This is the apps generally in your mobile when you are using in our mobiles. App symbol is there. Next is activity. So what is the activity I have done? You can see all my activity. See, I have added so and so teacher, so and so student to so and so class. All the activity is there. Right, you can see your activity when you log in. Okay, so now next one is chat. This chatting is similar to morning we have done a trial chat. The same manner we can do chat here, chatting with the, now who are all there members I have added, no, so with them I can chat also. Class interaction like a textual message. Actually 3-4 classes are different, right? So when you have added them as your members, okay, so they will get in their channel. Okay, here as you can see all of them can see. Okay, all of you can see. Now see, Joe sir sent good morning, Merlin Thomas ma'am good morning, they can see whatever I have posted to them, right?
Add 3 classes in a one period.
I will show. Yeah, that also I will be giving you. Yeah, I know. Yeah, that also I will give you a solution here. Now don't worry. Let me completely explain you this. We will go on to that also. Right, chat option I have shown you here. Here you can see if you want to type something, ये में click कीजिए, आप type कीजिए textual information. Then आपको attachment भेजना है तो you click on that attachment symbol. Okay, and you can send. Suppose if you want to see upload from my computer, I want to send one instruction sheet, that is my desktop में आपको Microsoft Teams का guidelines to download Teams रखा है, so I have just shared that one to Merlin madam. ठीक है, so if you want to share, okay, so like that whomever you want to share personally also you can share, or in the group also you can share. Now let me come back to okay, right, whom and or what do you want to share, that also you can share. Right, we'll come to Teams. Right, so there in the chat personally we are doing. Now come to Teams. In this general channel I am posting here. So then this demo session 3 has come to you 8th standard team, 8th class में हो रहा है, ठीक है. Now I don't want in this team. What is the team we have created just now? Demo 3. Okay, Demo 3. Demo 3 is our team. this team. Now I'll go here. Here, if you want to post. So welcome, dear. Hello everyone. Okay, caps lock is on, so I will just backspace. Hello everyone. Okay, so here it has come to all of you. Next, if you want to add some label also, can add here, right? Okay, if I want to send one attachment, here I want to send the attachment. Okay, so yeah, we are setting up your files. It is first time when we are attaching, you can see we have to wait for little time, then upload from my computer. What is that? Uploading guidelines to download Teams. Okay, so this yesterday I prepared for the help for helping teachers. Okay, right now I will send okay, so one emoji. Okay, enjoy this session, today's session. Okay, one penguin I'm sending, otherwise one jiffy. Yes, if you want to share one gif, right? So okay, so you can select a, proper GIF and yeah, right. So then if this is sticky stickers, okay, if you want to add some stickers also, right, you can add stickers and then okay, send. This is send option is everywhere it is there. Now you want to have the face-to-face conversation just like our Google Meet or Zoom or whatever, Cisco WebEx. That is here video symbol you can see, click on this. Okay, so now click on meet now. You are the organizer, click on meet now. Now when you click on meet now, you can see all these options. But here, see all these suggestions are there because these are all the members of this entire class. But when you are having like maths Hindi option, you wanted to take only Hindi students. What we can do is, here I am just calling ask to join. When I am asking to join, they will receive a call just like our mobile call in their teams. Okay, so they have to accept. Then we see Sushma madam asked to join. Okay, Usha Thakur madam asked to join. Vandana Sadyarthi madam asked to join. So Anjanelu sir asked to join. Jigita ma'am asked to join. Right. So now I'm calling these people. Currently in this meeting only 6 people are there. So right, only 6 people are there. What about the others? You did not find. No. Now here itself we can directly add. Okay. So here directly I'm adding. Got it? So if you are not finding them here, directly you can add. But what is happening now? Everyone is having what are all the equal delegations, like everyone can share. But if you want to control, now see Elizabeth ma'am can remove Anjanelu sir can remove Jigita madam, like that it is there. But children, we have to control the students. Then for that, what do we do? Here you can see na manage permissions. So every one of us are having same permissions means these things may happen. Okay, children are more smart than the teachers. So we have to restrict the action, manage permissions. Now go to manage permissions and here you can see people in my organization. Okay, that and all, don't worry. Everyone here you mention only me or specific people. Clear? So only me. First you can do the settings to only me. Later on if you want to make someone else presenter also. Someone else you can give as a co-host or co-organizer. That also can be done. Now done. Now what will happen? All those other people will become attendees and I am the organizer. Okay, done. I'll click on done. So now if you come back to Teams, you can see currently in this meeting I am the only one. So others have not joined as it is echoing, right? So if one person joins, that will be good, I think, so that we can have the demonstration.
They should open this app that the session is going.
Yeah, so from morning as the timetable is given that yeah, we can send one entire school, we can send one message. Teams, they will be using only Teams now. Yeah, Teams only. From 9 o'clock the Teams should be on. Then automatically, yeah. Yes. Now you can see here download attendees attendance list also. Here you can see download option. Okay, for all joined, that download also you can download. Attendance list also you can download. Right? So this is Excel sheet ready. At what time they joined, at what time they left. Right? Everything is ready. Is here or not? And if you want to see here, copy joining information. So that also you want to store it in your Word document for further reports and all. That also you can do. Okay, clear? So where is it coming? Sushma madam joined. Wait, I'll ask to join again. Right, calling. See now Sushma madam is receiving the call. She accepted my call. Now you can see. So here attendee. She has become the attendee. Previously there was no difference. All of us are there in the same list though they joined. Now because I am the only presenter, automatically they're all the attendees. Attendees cannot share unless until, see here 3 dots are there. No? Click on 3 dots. See, make a presenter. Then they can share their screen. If you are asking them to show what have you done, show me output, we'll ask no. So make a presenter so that they can share the screen. Right? So this much is clear. This is the participants. Suppose if I go again, if we want to see that screen, how do we see? Show participants. Clear. Now participants thing is over. Now this option, see meeting, how many minutes meeting is going on. See turn on camera. So if you want to show your video, right? So but actually I'm using that video in another app. My video is off now here. Now here mute, unmute, and then next one is share. Okay, so now come to share. In this share, if you want to share the entire screen, that means if you are opening multiple files parallelly or concurrently, if you are using multiple files, then go for Windows screen share. Okay, otherwise if you have only particular file, so PowerPoint if you want to share. Okay, so PowerPoint you add here and keep ready. If you want to share a whiteboard is there for yes, you can draw or write here, but here this facility I felt this is not that comfortable. Okay, so as we are using the OneNote. Okay, so what do I do is I will share even freehand by InVision also. As you are writing, just like your cursive writing, some writing, that will be converted automatically into font. Okay, so but instead of all these things, the other very good, easy, comfortable way of doing is, see, I am sharing the entire screen, share here, right? So now you can see, go to just Teams. You can see the whatever I am sharing, that whatever I am teaching, that is there on the other hand. And then here we can go to files, sorry, plus. Okay, files में जाइए, plus में भी जा सकते. Okay, you just go to plus. If you want to type then and there, plus में जाके इधर note. OneNote. Okay, so now create new notebook. पहले हमने जो dictate करते वक्त लिखा है ना, that I am showing you once again. Create a new notebook. Okay, today I just want to dictate something else. So here demo 3 का new notebook, notebook 2, notes 2. Okay, so this one I am just saving in my OneNote is like one document only, Microsoft Word document जैसा OneNote. Right, now here you can see the options: file, home, insert, draw, view, help, open in browser. Okay, all these things are there. In this first I will take the dictate, easy and comfortable tool. Now you can see whatever I am speaking will be typed automatically. This is voice typing tool. With this we can easily prepare any question paper within 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Right, or you can dictate notes and the notes will be ready. Once the notes is ready, you can edit by switching off this dictate icon again. Got it? Got it? So but our voice should be clear, our accent should be clear. So if, because we are all Indians, our accent, if it is recognized in a different way, from the once proofreading we can do from the beginning, and wherever enter, tuck enter, you can write. So otherwise, now list of items I want to prepare. Right. So that list of items once
This
I.
we can take printout and copy it out.
This is embedded inside. You need not.
It is embedded inside. You need not. That's what I'm telling. See, once we are all like educators, Microsoft is giving free This educators, all the Office 365 it is giving, or OneNote, PowerPoint, so many options are there free. So actually I had been trying to do this for the past 3 years. So but as we are not having our own domain, I was not able to do that. So as I put all together, I've done little research in this vacation also
Very
about
nice,
this.
madam. Very
Okay, yeah, this is very useful for the teachers and easy to handle also. See now I've shown you one simple thing, and attendance also I've shown you. Now see, suppose if you don't want to take that attendance in that format, if you want to have your own format, okay, like voting session if you want to do, okay, how do I do that? So I'll close here, I'll come back to my session, right? So here what am I doing? See here, you can just click on the form. Okay, forms is there, Google Forms jaisa. So forms I'm using. Okay, so even Cisco WebEx, everything you can see here. So here forms I'm creating. Yeah, question is, give your attendance or mark your attendance. Mark your attendance. So what is the option? Present only. Only one option is there. If they click on the present, they are present. Otherwise, they are absent. Na? So this option I'll remove. Okay, multiple answers nahi hai. Only one answer is there for the participants to answer. Right? Next. So now see, submit vote. Now I am submitting mine. Okay. Okay, so now I've closed here. So now what do? I come back to my meeting. Here participants में जाएंगे. Here I just want to, yes, open that form here. Where is that form? Okay, fine. Otherwise,
There was plenty type of that audio thing that you were doing. I think that students be able to write out their answers like that. It's like Google.
yeah, if you allow them to share, so then they can immediately they can type and share. No. Yes, yes. So otherwise you can go to chat section. Otherwise you will go come back here. Post में जाएंगे. See. So here I just want to attach that recent. Okay, I can add that form here. Okay, that I can add here. Clear? Okay, friends. I think hope you all have got little idea. Yeah, unless until we practice, no, it will be difficult. Okay, right? So hope. So you all will experiment, and if you are facing any problem, you can come back to me at any. You that one point where teachers are teaching in multiple classes together at the same time. So we go to this calendar. Okay, either in mobile or in desktop, wherever this calendar app is there. Just click on the calendar. Okay, you schedule your meeting well in advance. Okay, so Meet now is directly now itself if you want to start a meeting. Otherwise, see, I just want to schedule a new meeting, right? So here, what is the title? That is demo session 4. I am doing. Suppose see demo session 4, right? Add require attendance. Attendees who are all you want? Like 8th B full class I want. Okay, 8th C full class I want. Okay, so now 12th C full class I want. Okay, got it. 12th B I want. So multiple classes are the attendees of my session at that time. So in their calendar also, like automatically in their meet also, this will be coming. Because कैलेंडर में आप पहले स्केड्यूल कीजिए, डायरेक्टली क्लास में गए तो उतना ही आपको आएगा. ठीक है. सो नाउ हियर यस राइट. सो 12th भी आई एम जस्ट इंक्लूडिंग, बट अभी तक तो बच्चों को इंक्लूड नहीं किया इन दिस क्लास. हाँ. So now I wanted to add some more people also. Here who are all the staff members you want to add by name you can add. Got it? Now does not repeat it. What time to what time? All day you want to take, or 30 minutes you want to take, or 1.5 hour, from which time to which time, right? So you will be mentioning all this. So as we are from the India location only, we are doing all these things automatically. Our GMT 5:30 it is taken. Greenwich Mean Time, 5:30 is our Kolkata, India Kolkata China time, that will be taken. Okay. And here do you want to add channels? Don't add any channel. Okay, just go to the class. Yes.
Where we have to go class?
Yeah, attendees में आप ऐड किया ना,
Okay, then.
multiple classes. Then nothing. Do you want to give some description about your class, Sanskrit class at this time, or okay? So okay, digital skills I'm giving here.
Okay, then.
Then save कर दीजिए ना, send.
Okay.
Send. हो गया. So now at this time, these people will be, all these people will be having in their calendar this demo 3 or whatever I have given now. Where is that? Demo session 4, right? So now demo session 4 में आप जाइए, okay? आप join कीजिए, बस, right? Join now. So first you should join now. You are organizer, right? Join now. Over. Connecting, because already I'm in another meeting. No. So see, meeting in
How
Jan-
children will come then? Yeah.
just in their calendar also they have to click. Just join now.
Participants.
Yeah, in their participants now, whomever I have included in their calendar, it is already blocked.
Children also should know all these things.
Yeah, in calendar, yeah, one instruction we can give to the children. Just go to calendar, click on that. No need, sir. Yes, yes. Because that and all already we have grouped them into classes. So entire class we want. We don't want someone means we can remove from the participant. Right click remove also.
Maximum how many students can participate?
You can participate. All entire school can participate. Yeah.
This one.
Is there
Why this should be like this type?
Only first name, last name. Yeah, first name, last
So
name,
I
display
only
name.
type the names. Okay, now what I should
First
type?
name, last name.
Okay.
Okay.
Display name. Hey, first name, last name, display name. Kiran.
See, I'm already there in another meeting. I can hold that meeting and come to this meeting also. Right? Because now I started one more. Yes.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.